You probably never knew these things about coffee. More than half of US adults drink coffee every day. Are you one of them? Maybe you do it for the energy jolt. Maybe you love the taste. Maybe taking time for a sip is part of your morning ritual. We, the coffee lovers, go to sleep dreaming about it, wake up craving it, and order it from our local barista at least once a day. Despite its popularity, most people don't know very much about what they're drinking every morning, noon and night. So, in this post we are going to show you some interesting facts about your favorite beverage you've probably never heard of. Legend has it that coffee was discovered by a goat herder. So, where did coffee come from? The most widely accepted myth is that an Ethiopian goat herder discovered the drink by accident. After his goats ate a horde of ripe coffee beans, he noticed the animals acting more active and jittery. He said that his goats appeared to be dancing after they ate coffee beans. Death by coffee, it's possible. Unfortunately, yes, you can overdose from coffee and die. But you'll have to drink a lot. Scientists say the lethal dose of caffeine is roughly 50 cups of coffee. According to a study, an adult person of 125 pounds needs to consume more than 50 cups of coffee. This would be equal to a lethal dose. K-cups are incredibly wasteful. According to a research, in 2013 were manufactured so many K-cups that if they were all brought together and lined up in a row, they would wrap around the equator 10 times. Well, that's a lot of plastic for all of us. The first webcam in the world was made for coffee. A group of Cambridge University scientists set a camera on their office's coffee pot, streaming the footage live on the web. Workers would be able to see if the pot was empty or not, saving themselves the disappointment of a coffee-less trip to the kitchen. Well, that's a good way to use a webcam, or not? Coffee fanatics. We can easily say that out of all professions, scientists and laboratory technicians have been found to be the heaviest coffee drinkers. Well, that's kind of obvious, right? Your brain loves is when you drink coffee. Did you know that some coffee drinkers have been found significantly less likely to develop Alzheimer's disease? Almost 65% less, to be exact. Well, that's some good news for us. Starbucks Trenta Coffee Big Gulp. The new sized drink in Starbucks, Trenta, is so big that all of the liquid in that giant sized drink can't even physically be held within the average sized stomach. Unbelievable, right? The exact amount of liquid in Trenta size is about 15 millimeters more liquid than the average stomach can carry. This is an interesting fact as well. Did you know that coffee loses 70% of its flavor within 2 minutes? According to some coffee experts, after the initial pour, a fresh cup of coffee stales after just 15 minutes. These are the biggest coffee freshness enemies: oxygen, moisture, heat, and light. So, drink up and drink fast. We really hope you enjoyed this post, and please share it with your friends and family. Thanks.